Good afternoon. My name is Hae Sung Kim, advisor of Gangnam Labor Law Firm. Today, with Labor Attorney Jung Bong-soo, we will cover a newly updated section of the rules of employment. So, could you explain what has been changed?
Hello, how are you today? This is Bong-soo Jung, Korean labor attorney. This Gangnam Labor Firm has provided a mobile app that include all kind of labor issue, also labor questions or all information about labor management. So one of them is rules of employment. Company that hired 10 workers more must have a rules of employment and report it to the labor ministry. So this is legal requirement. So we have made such a automatic the production of rules of employment. So this version it has 30 templates, so they have to choose the most suitable one for their company. So it has 95 the articles. It was so it took us a long time to check and download all the information. So one of our client asked like it takes a long time. So we want to develop it certain section. So we decide to respect that opinion, and we ordered some this app producer, app engineer. So we need some chapter-based the making of rules of employment. So so because of that guide, some this app engineer has successfully developed the app where the employee can choose particular chapters. Then they could get the final the data very quickly, very professionally, very efficiently. That is what we produce now.
So I understand the rules of employment is required in a workplace that hire more than 10 people, 10 employee. This is like after signing a employment contract with between the employer and the employee. The other regulations are listed in the rules of employment. So this 95 section, is it compulsory to include every?
Yeah, of course. Yeah. So Article 93 explained what the content of the rules of employment must include those certain items. So what the template provide, of course they include 13 items, but it includes other service regulation and other working conditions. So it is very useful. But the little bit something we need to desire to be developed was what about some developing their rules of employment based on each chapter, not entire version. So normally normal companies that hire 10 workers more, they update their rules of employment from time to time. So in that case, like when they use this app, it took longer than expected. So we provide this app update based on choosing rules of employment based on each chapter, not totally. Yeah. So I want to show you how it has been changed. So okay, here this is our the PC-based app. So you can see some section here, rules of employment. So these are all necessary items. So something is actual making rules of employment. So we have to log in. So we provide login information free of charge. So now you get into the this app. Yeah. So here, this is the previous data. So we'll start to make. So this is the main item we have developed. So I want to have a chapter about workplace sexual harassment. Yeah. So here I want the clearly to check the sexual harassment, then you can find. Yes, so there are 5 the articles, including, I mean, in relation to the those the chapter. So now we chose the one chapter related to the sexual harassment prevention. So